Alright, I think I'm live, right? I think I am now. Okay, good. Let me, can you see my screen? Nope. This is the first time I'm doing this on OBS. Give me another sec. Sorry for the tech issues. Maybe if I start it over again. Let me try that. No, that's not it. Okay, it should be up right now, right? Alright. So, hello everyone. Sorry for that long start. Today we're going to be discussing the severe weather potential through tonight. So, starting off here, with the storms from earlier, we had some big hail, this afternoon, up to about ping pong size, so that was pretty big. I didn't get any. That went through downtown Greenville, if I'm correct. Looking outside right now, there is nothing. Let me get this out. There we go. Which warmed us up once again into the 70s. Looking specifically at radar, the storms went by Charlotte an hour ago. Let me move that. And they're gone now. And the next round is going to be coming in by tonight, which I'm going to be showing here in a little bit. By the way, I'm going to be checking chat through my phone. Man, I wanted that good weather. No. Yeah, it's not going to last very long. But the weekend is looking nice. I'm also going to be showing that here at the end of the stream. So looking at our threat for today here locally, moderate risk, level 4 out of 5. Let me get my page marker. There we go. Moderate risk here in Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, if I'm correct, and Missouri. Here locally, there's a little arm of a high risk, or enhanced technically is what it's called, but think about it as a high risk, level 3 out of 5. Tornado risk is low. The hail risk for tonight is at medium, and the biggest threat is going to be the wind, damaging wind threat. Anything in the chat? Yeah, I like the rain too. The karate tree. I like myself a good thunderstorm too, but this is a little bit higher than what most people would want. So for tomorrow, or tomorrow morning, we have a slight risk once again for, well, this is before 10 a.m. Maybe even in the afternoon, there might be some sneaky storms that could try and go severe. But biggest threat is to our south. So let me go to the next tab. And looking at the ingredients for these storms, this is the Cape Orb storm energy. And this is for 2 a.m. tonight. South of I-85 or south of downtown, it's going to be some decent amounts of Cape, up to 1,500 joules per kilogram, which, if that's above 1,000, that is pretty decent energy for the storms. And looking at this radar product, which shows us how likely it is to see supercells, which could produce tornadoes but are more likely going to produce hail. It's on the low end, so nothing too crazy. And pull this to 2 a.m. tonight. There we go. There is a very small little piece of tornado ingredient specifically that will go south of I-85 according to the HRRR model. And looking at that radar, pull it all the way back. Okay. So now those storms that came through earlier today go away. We have a couple isolated storms before midnight, then here by midnight and beyond, you can see some of these little storms popping up ahead of it, which could mean tornado, well, a very small chance of tornadoes, but not zero. The actual line comes in by 2 a.m. And if I look at the sounding, which this is just me geeking out, but it's showing a possible hazard type being a tornado. So once again, this is 2 a.m. tonight. The storms continue to move through, and then it stabilizes the atmosphere or just cools it down and prevents any more storms or strong storms from forming. Okay, nothing in the chat. And this is 10 a.m. and it's looking pretty clear for the rest of the day. And I think this is as far as this model goes. Yeah. Okay, and after all these storms, the cold front that's associated with this is going to lead to a pretty good weekend ahead. And this is Mother's Day or Sunday this weekend. Nice 78 degrees with lower humidity, so definitely good weather to get out and about with your mom. And looking at the rest of next week, it's looking like we have a slightly higher chance than normal of warm temperatures and some much wetter conditions. This is a 50 to 60% chance above average precipitation. Sorry. It's looking wet next week. So once again, for tonight, make sure you have ways to receive alerts. Great graphic here by the National Weather Service. Got the internet, which we're on right now, local TV and radio. You would tune into WYFI4 for Greenville, wireless emergency alerts on your phone and TV and weather apps. NOAA weather radio. We don't have outdoor sirens here, at least not that I know of. And then your family, friends, and co-workers, like if they work night shift. And that's it. This was going to be a short live stream. It was mostly me just trying to test this out. And yeah, that's it. If there's no questions in the chat. Oh, my camera went out. Oh. Okay, didn't see that. My bad. Let me put that up. It's kind of late now, but key video. There we go. And Nope. I got a green screen so that unfortunately my camera was off. But I have some rolling clouds behind me, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, so let me check chat again. No more questions? No. I'll keep this going for a couple minutes, see if anyone has anything. And I think you can hear my mouse too. My microphone is almost a foot away from me. I can't put it on top of the keyboard, so. And also I try noise suppression for the keyboard. Nothing else, anyone? Also, if anyone has any tips about OBS or just live streaming in general, that would be appreciated. Okay, wait here another 30 more seconds if anyone has anything last minute. I'm like 7 seconds behind from being live to actually seeing it on YouTube. I chose low latency instead of ultra low, so. You got a whole 5 viewers. Okay. We'll get there. Alright, well, it's 7:33. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you stay safe tonight. I'm not gonna be live streaming overnight because I need my sleep. But you can tune into W Warfare 4, Chris Justice, local TV to just a way to get your alerts. So, because he's gonna be staying up for a good chunk of the night for this, just in case anything pops up. Because we did have a tornado warning in North Carolina, so these storms definitely, well, it's nighttime and they have a very small chance. So that was it. Short live stream. I'll see y'all on the next one.